Adaptation in desert and tropical rainforest. Class 7, Chapter 7. Adaptation to hot climate. Hot climate like desert. Animals living in hot and dry climate. They have the following adaptation. Animals like camel, it store water in their hump for later use. Means hump. Children, you have seen hump in the camel. So this hump store water for the future use. In desert, there is very little rainfall. Rainfall is very less. Therefore, camels have adapted so that they survive for many days without food and water. They also have padded feet that help them to walk very easily on the sand. Animals in these regions spend daytime under shade as temperature is very high here during the daytime. During daytime, as the temperature is very high, so these animals remain inactive during the daytime and they come out at night in search of food. So these animals are called nocturnal animals. Nocturnal animals means the animals which are active at night. For example, reptiles. Reptiles like snakes. So they are nocturnal animals. Some animals do not cope with heat and go for a long summer sleep to escape from heat. Means these animals can't withstand hot summer during the hot summer, and so they go for a long summer sleep. So this summer sleep is called estivation. For example, rat and salamander. So they undergo estivation. Now children, you are seeing a pic of camel. Camel, it is adapted to live in desert condition. Observe its legs. Its legs are very long. So these long legs keeps its body away from the hot sand or heat from the sand. It has hump, padded feet, and in its habit it urinates very less. Its dung is also dry and it has the capability to drink a lot of water at a time. Adaptation to hot and wet climate, the tropical rainforest. The tropics represent hot and wet climate. Hot means temperature is high, wet means rainfall is also in abundance, where the mean annual temperature is 27 degrees Celsius. The sun is almost overhead in the sky and there is very little variation in the length of day and night. Day and night almost equal. This region is characterized by very heavy rainfall. An Indian tropical rainforest exists in the Western Ghat and the northeastern regions of Assam. In other parts of the world, tropical rainforests are found in the Amazon basin in Central America, the Congo basin in Central Africa, and Malaysia, Indonesia, and New Guinea in Southeast Asia. Now, the adaptation of animals in the rainforest make them compete better for food and survival. The warm temperature and the vertical habitat contribute to the abundant animal life. There are three clear-cut strata. First is canopy, second is understory on forest floor and on which the entire forest ecology depends. The first A is Canopy. Birds live on the upper strata or canopy of leaves of tall trees. Birds, these are arboreal, they live on the leaves of tall trees. Most of them are bright colored. Toucans and hornbills obtain their food from the upper part of the canopy, whereas parrots and macaws obtain their food from lower down in the canopy. A toucan's most recognizable feature is its beak. It is hollow, lightweight, and reaches about half of the bird's body length. This helps it to reach the fruits on distant weak branches. Now come to B layer. The layer below the canopy is understory. Most of the animals living on understory are arboreal, adapted to live on the trees. Monkeys, lemurs, apes, and orangutan have rotating arms for grasping branches. Monkeys have prehensile tail, which not only helps them to swing from branch to branch, but also to hang down from the branches to reach food. Children, you can see the pic of these animals in your book also. Animals inhabiting the forest floor include leopard, gorilla, and elephant. Asian elephants are commonly found in rainforest of Western Ghat, Northeast India and Southeast Asia, and their adaptation are the long prehensile trunk increases elephants' search for better quality food. A single finger-like projection at the tip helps them to grab leaves for food. The tusks, that are modified teeth, they can tear barks of trees, which is their favorite food. And the large ears, they are helpful in receiving sound waves to hear. They are also used by elephants to fan themselves in humid habitat. Insects form the large community in a tropical rainforest. A variety of insects like termite, mosquitoes, spiders, ants, and butterflies are found here, and many of them have brilliant colors. There is intense competition for food and survival in the tropical rainforest. Since a huge variety of species live there, the survival from their own predator, this is the priority, and it is largely depend on the adaptation. Predator protection mechanism. Predator protection mechanism means how can animal protect themselves from their enemies. First is hiding. Some animals simply hide in burrows, under rocks, under leaves, or under tree bark, and they remain protected. Second one is camouflage. Some animals blend into the surroundings, namely stick insect. It look like stick, and some butterfly are perfectly invisible although they are still there. Scare the predator. Some animals convince the predator that they are bigger or fast than they really are. For example, many butterflies have large eye designs on wings which make them look like head of large animals. Fourth one is warning color and scent. Poisonous animals openly advertise their defense with color and scent. When a predator eats one member of the group, it gets sick. The memory stays with the predator who will avoid that animals in future.